In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a picture into a circle in Google Slides. This is a simple yet effective way to enhance your presentations with a polished and creative look. So, let's dive right into the process. First, open Google Slides and locate the presentation where you want to work on the image. Once you're in, choose the slide where you want to add or modify an image. If you haven't inserted an image yet, head over to the top menu and click on Insert. From the drop-down menu, select Image, and then choose where you'd like to source your image from, whether it's your computer, drive, or even searching the web directly. With your image on the slide, click to select it. You'll notice a blue outline around the image, indicating that it's selected and ready for editing. Next, move to the top toolbar and look for the crop image icon. It looks like a square with diagonals through it. Don't click on it just yet, simply hover over the adjacent triangle to access more options. Upon hovering, a small drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select Shape. You'll be presented with a variety of shape options arranged in categories. Since we're focusing on making your image circular, navigate through the Basic Shapes category and select the circle. Clicking on the circle will immediately apply it to your image, now transforming your picture into a circular shape. Once the circular shape is applied, you might notice that not every part of the image fits perfectly into the new shape. You'll want to adjust the image to make sure that it looks just right. To do this, double-click on the image. This will bring up the cropping handles, small black bars at the edges and corners of the image. You can click and drag these handy tools to resize and reposition the image within the circular mask until you are satisfied with the appearance. After adjusting, click anywhere outside the image to deselect it and view the final result. If you want to make further changes, you can always select the image again and repeat the process. Now, your circle-shaped image should fit seamlessly within your presentation, adding a touch of style and professionalism. With these clear and straightforward steps, you are now equipped to turn any image into a circle in Google Slides. You can use this technique to ensure your presentations are both visually appealing and engaging. Practice and experiment with different images to see what best fits your presentations. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.